Opportunities to own and extend a character home in Riverside, Claremont are extremely rare. This gorgeous cottage is the best opportunity in this suburb that I've seen for a long time. The owners have painstakingly restored the original parts of the home, and so they've done so much of the hard work for you. So with the big rooms, soaring ceilings, the huge backyard, you can simply move in and enjoy it as it is, or you can take this property to the next level with an extension. If land and location are the most important pillars of property, then you've got that here. 669 square metres of land, and in Claremont's river precinct, it doesn't get much better than Pennell Road. But what you've also got here is a gorgeous and charming family home, and it has such a wonderful feel. With the shops, the river and schools all on your doorstep, you've just got to come and see this.